This is an announcement video for a little 3-set mini-series of videos I'm going to be putting out starting next week. One's a makeup, one is a wig video, and one is a prosthetic sculpt video. And it also ties in as to why my makeup is so purple today. And that is because next week, August 30th, Dark Crystal Age of Resistance comes out. I am so excited. Of course, I had to do something inspired by Dark Crystal. So you'll find out next week what that thing is. Dark Crystal was a huge part of my childhood. Like, I was introduced to it pretty early on. I'd say somewhere between 6 and 8 years old. Probably a little too young, but it brought me a lot of inspiration and a lot of love for fantasy world, and it helped grow my curiosity and get me into the world of FX and all that stuff. So much so that I have a Dark Crystal tattoo on my wrist. I don't know if you can really see from there, but it's basically the original drawing of Aughra as done by Brian Froud, that you can find page 110 of the Visual History, which is a really stinking cool book. So yeah, so much excitement, a little bit terrified. Obviously, I know that they made all the puppets, stayed very true to how Henson Company does stuff. But I also know we're in a digital age. Of course, there's stuff that they can do with digital that they couldn't do with just puppets. So I'm excited to see how that's tied in, but I'm also afraid because that's obviously very different from the original Dark Crystal. So we'll see. So far, it looks like they're staying very true to the vibe, very true to Jim Henson, very true to all the things that we know and love about Dark Crystal. So anyway, here, consider it your announcement. If you want to make sure that you are not missing a single part of my Dark Crystal mini-series, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I try not to bring that stuff up too often because, frankly, I know it's annoying. But really, you're gonna be missing out if you don't, so bye!